Hello, I have with me the elegant and sophisticated CamEye, the next generation car security device that is designed to address all the concerns regarding safety of your car and passengers. Once installed in your car, the CamEye will allow you to live stream the inside and outside view of your car and record on a secure cloud platform, prevent misuse of your car by the driver, track location and play back the route traveled by a car, get real-time actionable alerts on your phone. To start installing the CamEye, let's take a look at what the box contains. The CamEye comes with a car charger, a windshield mount, a set of cable clips, a pry tool, a nut, and a USB cable. So let us now go ahead with the installation process. First, you will install the application and activate the device. On your phone, download and install the CamEye app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then, sign in directly with your existing Google or Facebook account or create a new account. Add your device to the app by scanning the QR code on the bottom of the device or by manually entering the serial number and key. The device is now connected to your phone. So let's now install the device in your car. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive side of the windshield mount. Place the windshield mount on the front windshield, centered just below the rear view mirror. Press the windshield mount tightly and push the locking lever up. Unfasten the nut on the CamEye. Push the CamEye up until the ball of the windshield mount snap fits inside the mounting bracket. Adjust the CamEye so that it is perpendicular to the dashboard and suitably captures the inside view of the cabin. Now, tighten the nut fully to secure CamEye. Adjust the outside camera angle of CamEye for the desired field of view. Run the USB cable from CamEye and tuck it above the lip of the windshield headliner and along the A-pillar. Use the pry tool to lift the edges of the trim and tuck it away in the seams. Now connect the micro USB end to the slot provided in the side of the device. Insert the charger into the 12-volt car socket. The installation is now complete. So let's get the CamEye up and running so that we can check out some of its coolest features. I can now see the cabin view of my car, and if I want, also the outside view at the touch of a button. How cool is that? And now let's see where we are. So here I can see the map view and the current location of the car. That is so great. I will leave you to explore this amazing device. Goodbye.